We are present top 7 best jointers. Air punch nailers are convenient and time-saving tools that use high-pressure air to punch out fasteners embedded in wooden boards or pallets. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Recon Nail Kicker V20. With 4 drivers to choose from, the Recon Nail Kicker V20 around $459 can handle a range of nail sizes, from 12D to 30D, and can even be used to punch holes in tin or sheet metal. Its spring-loaded nose covers the piston when not in use, reducing the chance of accidental injury. Number 2. Air Locker AP700. The heavy-duty Air Locker AP700 around $48 features a multiple actuation trigger that allows you to choose between 3 firing modes, letting you customize it to your specific project. A rubber ring on the back of the unit keeps it from sliding away when not in use. Number 3. 3 Plus Hapt 50 SB. The powerful 3 Plus Hapt 50 SB around $40 is capable of removing common 10-gauge nails, and its slim nose allows it to access hard-to-reach areas. It only weighs 4.14 pounds, and at such a low price, is a great choice for those on a tight budget. Number 4. New Max SPNNR. The New Max SPNNR, about $50, is designed for removing both straight and bent fasteners, making it a great choice for those repurposing old pallets. It's compatible with nail sizes 9 to 14 gauge, and an adjustable exhaust allows you to direct the airflow away from your face. Number 5. Mite AP38. The lightweight aluminum body and soft rubber grip of the Mite AP38, around $80, make it a great option for all-day projects that require easy maneuverability. It can handle fasteners between 2 and 3 mm, making it ideal for 12 to 14 gauge finishing nails.